Hi, and welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to create t-shirt designs for kids' birthdays, custom designs. So using different characters and fonts in Canva. So we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see here, I have the character Bluey font already pulled up. And I'm going to go over to Etsy so you can kind of reference what I'm talking about when I say custom t-shirt designs for kids. So when you go ahead and you type in Bluey birthday shirts on Etsy, you can see that these are what are the shirts that come up. So we have like a birthday girl with her name and the age. This episode of Bluey is called Ren Turns 2. Or you can have the one where it just says dad, granny, mommy, all of those things with the different characters. So as we can see here, or these right here, mommy of the birthday girl. So we're going to go back over here to Canva. And I'll show you how I got these fonts. So what you're going to do is going to go over here to Elements. Now the only thing about this is you are going to have to do it letter by letter, so be mindful of that. But as you can see here, the set is right here. So you could go ahead and type this set directly into your Canva account and you can find it. Or you can go ahead and if it's easier, you can go ahead and type here at the top, Bluey font. And then it's going to give you all of these letters right here of this font. You're going to go ahead and hit these three dots, hit view collection, and now you can see all of the letters in that collection. And so this is just a regular Instagram square, but you'll want to make sure that you have the correct sizing on here. Depending on where you're printing, whether it's Printify or Printful, they let you know the sizing of the t-shirt so that you can have it at high resolution and high quality. So all I did was bring these letters over and then I grouped them. As you can see, I can ungroup them. I highlighted each letter and I selected group. Same thing with daddy. So you can do daddy of the birthday girl. You can also change the color if you wanted to do that. As you can see here, you could make it pink if you wanted. And then all you can do, if you wanted to save time, you can do change all. Now, as we can see, the outline of it is still blue. So you got to keep that in mind. It's only changing the inside. But you can have it like this, a different color, or we can go back and hit undo and have everything back as blue. And so you'll have to go over here and drag all of the letters that you need. You'll have to drag all of the letters that you need in order to create the words. But this is a way that you can kind of have a character theme for t-shirts. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another character that you guys can search up in Canva. So for example, you can also search up Super Mario font. As you can see here, they have a few different ones you can choose from. This one right here is good. You're going to go ahead and hit view collection. And you're going to go ahead and do the same thing. As you can see, this one already has different colors, but you can change the colors up here. And maybe it can say like super and whatever the child is named, the name of the child is for their birthday. And then you can either have the different colors like they already have, or you can make them all the same color. And so we're going to bring, so maybe you can have, like I said, you already have the super, and then you can create some mock-ups of different child's names so that they can see how it would look. And then you're going to go ahead and highlight them, group, and then you can have, let's see, add a page here. Added the page here. I'm going to go ahead and bring this down just so we can have this separate. And then you can, like I said, you have the child's name here. For example, if you wanted to put Super Ryan, and then maybe you could have the age that the child is turning on the back. Super Ryan turns 2, 3, 4. So you can create that text. The good thing is, even though you're doing these letters one by one, the only thing that you'll have to change in the template is the person's name. So you'll be able to keep Super, and then on the back turns whatever age. So right here we can do, if you keep going down on the Super Mario, they have some actual numbers that you can use. So you can hit View Collection, and then you'll have to search more. They should have more more numbers that pop up. And then you'll have to, since this color is a little bit different than this one, you'll just have to go ahead and select that color that's used in this one and put this on the back of the shirt. So this is how you can go ahead and do the Super Mario or Super theme. And then you can also go back to the elements and type in Super Mario. And if you wanted to put different things that were part of the game, like maybe the mushroom or little small things, you could do that as well in the theme. Probably make it a little bit smaller and put it in between the letters, something like that. Maybe like a little coin there, something like that. And then this is how you can go ahead and create that. And then if you go back over here, you can also, this is very popular, we have a Barbie font. If you go ahead and hit see all right here, this is the Barbie font. You can go ahead and hit View Collection, and you can use this as well. And we can go over here once again to Etsy and see Barbie birthday shirt, just to get some ideas. So as you can see here, Avery birthday girl, birthday girl 6, Emma. As you can see, it's kind of like the similar B. So you could do this type of style. This actually, I believe, can be completely done in Canva, because I've seen this image before. Let's see here. So you can go ahead and use, again, I don't want to get too redundant, but as you can see, you can use this Barbie font as well. And then if I go over here and add, let's go to elements. So yeah, so this is the set that you can use for the Barbie font. And then if you type in Barbie, this is the girl that I was referencing. That was right here. This is pretty similar. All you have to do is go ahead and hit flip. This is also another hack if you didn't know that. You can flip images, and then you can turn it to have it on the shirt. And then like different hearts and stars, you can go ahead and search that over here as well. Or just type in Barbie and see what pops up. Hit see all. As you can see, you have different elements like this that you can match as the same color, and you can have this along with your shirt. You could have like a crown. If you want it, that's the same color. So there's a lot of different things that you could do. Hearts, glasses, bows, like you said, the heart with the diamonds. So you can also do that along with the Barbie font. I think this is a different one. Let's go ahead and hit view collection. Yeah, so these are a different version as well. Again, the set is right there. And you can change the color. And this is another way that you can have like a Barbie themed t-shirt design. And so let's go over here. If we try to add a text here, let's see. So I do have an uploaded font, which is like Barbie and Friends regular. Let's see here. So if you want to be sent this Barbie font, comment down below and I can have it sent to you. And you will be able to download it and upload to Canva. So this is a Barbie font that you can use that I have uploaded. And it's easier so that you can type all the text out. You can have where it says like birthday girl more easier, birthday girl. Remove all of this. And you can use this font as well. So you can comment down below if you would like that font, and I will make sure to have it up on my website soon, and I will be sending the link. Okay, so this is another way to create this. There's a lot of different characters that you can use. I'm also going to show you another way to find character fonts for your t-shirts. So you're going to go over here to apps, and you're going to go type in text studio maker, and it's right here with the blue T. We're going to go ahead and select that. I accept the terms. And we're going to go and we're going to pick one of these. If it's premium, you have to pay, and then if it doesn't have it, it's free. So we're going to go ahead and find a font that we like or a setup that we like. But as you can see here, this is a Pokemon one already done. So if you wanted to create Pokemon t-shirts, you could do that as well. You have this cute design right here. This will be perfect for like that exact theme or like princess. So we're going to go ahead and select this just so I can show you guys. So as it already has birthday in there, and you're going to select the different library fonts. So as you can see here, this is where you can find different character fonts. For example, they have Boss Baby. So you can go ahead and select, and this is for any font that you choose in here. They have Boss Baby on here. I don't think you can really see it the best with this particular one. So we're going to go back. See if there's a difference. Particular one, but we would have to pick something more plain. Let's try this one. And let's see. So we probably will have to use a different font. But as you can see, this is like the Roblox font. We have Nickelodeon type font. So if you're doing like a Nickelodeon themed shirt, you could use that. I'm trying to find, like, you for any one of these, you can use these character fonts is what I'm trying to explain or show you guys. But I'm trying to find a good example as far as how it will look. But as you can see, this is a great resource to use for different font styles for your t-shirts. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead, see if there's a difference. We have Snickers font. This is another way to get different fonts or character fonts for your t-shirt designs. maybe I need to find. You can also search themes here. For example, so we got mom, or you can have Valentine. If you have Valentine coming up next year, you can also search for Christmas. They have Christmas fonts that you can use. So you can also search different things to see. So we have, as you can see, you keep going. And all of these fonts are free to use as long as you're not using a premium font. So they have a Barbie theme right here as well. They have a Shrek theme that you can use. They have a ton of different things in here, fonts that you can use. They have Moana in here. So you can also, if you don't like how this app is looking, you can go back on here and look up different characters once again, Moana font, and they have that already here. So you would do the same thing, view collection, or you can choose this one. They have two different ones, view collection, and you can go ahead and create a birthday or just a custom shirt off of this. Let's see, what other movies do we have? You can do Toy Story, Toy Story font. As you can see here, they have the story right here already. And then you would have to just create toy with the letters. And then you could go ahead and create your t-shirt design and get ideas from Etsy. So you can create Toy Story. They have different themes, and then they have the numbers too. So that's great. You can have this on the back. Turns 2, or whatever age that they are turning, and you can have that. And again, you're just going to hit view collection and it's going to show you all these fonts. So there's so many different kid characters that you can choose. Let's see, do they have Mickey Mouse font? They do. So there you can go ahead and do Mickey Mouse font. Just thinking about all the main characters that people are searching for. Let's see if they have like some type of dinosaur font. So they have dinosaur font. Maybe you could do that for a birthday as well. They have numbers and letters. So this is a great resource that you can use to create. This video specifically was just showing you how to find different font characters that you can use for t-shirt designs. So for the full t-shirt designs, maybe I can make a part 2, but this was a great start in the foundation. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of video you want me to create next, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. And have a great day. Bye-bye.